Good evening, Carnival shoppers. This is Daniel, your friendly naturalist. Thank you so much for joining us for what's sure to be an amazing journey south around Cape Horn to Argentina. If you didn't mean to board the Argentina cruise, please exit immediately. This journey will take approximately 3.5 months, so we recommend eating a lot of citrus at the buffet to prevent scurvy. Each guest will be allocated 3 croutons per day. Now I'm sorry, just a moment. Sorry, Alaska? Oh, really? Alaska? North? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, my bad. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. We're actually heading north to Alaska. Well, that'll be nice too, and no need to call your friends and family back home then. I'll be sharing some fascinating insight into our destinations and wildlife as we go, coupled with some mindless dribble. I'll be keeping my eyes open here on the bridge for whale sightings, and we certainly hope to see some humpbacks, perhaps gray and orca or killer whales, and other species as we go. Now, humpbacks can submerge for up to 30 minutes and as deep as 600 feet, so it can be a little tricky, but keep your binoculars and cell phones ready and we'll do our best. I'll be announcing as a clock, with 12 noon being the bow or front of the ship, and remember that port is our left side and starboard our right. On my own little sailboat, I remember that there are 4 letters in the words left and also in the word port. So left is our port side. Tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. I'll have my ports of call lecture in the Pharaoh's Theater, where I'll give you an overview of our stops. So please come by if you're not snoozing. And now the lectures are absolutely free, and I'm here to make sure you get your money's worth. So please sit back and relax and take in what will be an amazing trip and wonderful views over our next 7 days as we cruise to beautiful Alaska. Thanks so much and have a great evening.